and welcome to this week's special edition of Pinterest in Real Life. As always, I am your host, Jay Abeda, and in this week we honored the beginning of Season 8 of Doctor Who, which, if you don't know what it is, you are missing out. Get on Netflix, get on YouTube, everything. I guess you're on YouTube. But just check it out. Go search it. It's awesome. You will love it. It's good family fun. So for today, we're going to be making a sonic screwdriver. Actually, I'll probably be making a few of them to give out to all my Whovian friends. Actually, a co-worker of mine found this, knew that I was a big fan, and recommended this for me. So she sent me the pin. If you like anything, want me to do it, send it over to me. If it's something that I'm interested in and I think I can afford doing, I'll go ahead and give it a go. This is pretty simple. It's some super cheap Papermate pens. I recommend the ones because you can pull them out, the ink out from the front of the pen, which we're going to find out how easy that is in just a second. Then we just needed some baked clay that you can bake. They said any polymer or Fimo. These happen to be on sale, so I picked up the Fimo. I've got quite a few colors because I might have gone overboard. So we've got some options here. I don't know how well you can see everything, but we got a good selection. So that's pretty much all we got. As far as costs go, pens cost 92 cents for a 10-pack. The marble things, and we got marble things for like the little glowing ball. I couldn't find marbles because I don't even know the last time I played with marbles. So I found these at Michael's. They're a little bit smaller. I'll pull one out and show you in a minute. But yeah, and the clays themselves were $2.79 normally. I got them on sale, but even still, so this would only cost about $10–12 total. And you could do it for less. There were some other clays that probably would have worked as well, but I've never really worked with clays, and these are the ones that my friend recommended because she's been working with this for a while. But since it's for such a simple project, you probably could get by with the cheaper ones. So the marble things, if you want to see, nice little, slightly smaller than an actual marble. It's not so bad, right? So, I'm going to make quite a few of these. I've got no real plan what they're going to look like. You can check out the actual pin. They've got some pretty good designs going. So, okay. These pull out super easy. I was worried about that because I'm not strong. So when you want to keep the cap as well, because it's actually going to all work, and doing it with these pens are awesome. The whole point is that you can keep reusing it because you can just pull these in and out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all of them out. Okay, maybe they're not all easy. So the next step, cut off the tabs from the pens, so we don't need them getting in the way. It's gonna make a mess. And lastly, before we start with the clay, we are going to mark the Sharpie where we need the clay to stop in order for the cap to still go back on and be usable. So, mark on this side. Alright, so now they're set up. I'm gonna take stuff off so I don't make a mess. I've never really worked with clay like this before. I took ceramics back in high school. Hopkins white, Hopkins gold, all that stuff. It was all good, but this I've never done, and I was never good with hand building, so this is probably going to be pretty awful to watch. Alright, so now we got all of our colors. So, let's begin. thank you for tuning in to this week's special edition of Pinterest in Real Life. I've been your host, Jay Abeda. I hope you've had fun with this silly, simple project. I did forget that if I pulled out the plastic part with just the ink, that I would have this gap here. So in case you are going to be doing this, unless you like this look, then you may want to make sure you don't pull out the ink all the way, or you draw on where the pen top comes off before pulling it out. That would have been a better idea. If you would like to win one of the ones that I've just made, I'll be giving one of these away to somebody who comments below. Comment who your favorite doctor and who your favorite companion is, and I'll pick somebody and they will win whatever one of these I decide they deserve. So like below, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Whovian fun stuff. I'm sure there'll be plenty coming. And I hope you had fun. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later.